Let's create this easy Euphoria look together. In my opinion, a little eye prep makes everything look better, but you can skip it and just start with eyeshadows. With first eyeshadow, we fill all our lid. Currently, I'm obsessed with those Game Beauty Elemental Blast palettes because they are so well pigmented. I love those colors and they blend really well. This beautiful purplish eyeshadow will go to our crease. And by the way, my name is Rina and you're really welcome on my channel where we discover beauty from all sides. And of course, you're really welcome to join for more tutorials and more beauty stuff. In next step, we brighten our inner eye corners. Here you can spot a lively palette from Cheery Up and of course white gel liners from ColourPop. I've decided to go a little bit creative with eyeliners, so have fun with it and just don't make big movements from the start. When we talk about glitter eyeshadows, I love to put them on my eyes with my fingers. I just think that they look a little bit more glittery, if I can say that, but let me know your opinion. And we're getting to dark purple eyeliner. I love this color. I use tiniest brush I have and I don't really try to make it look up. I think this eyeliner angle gives drama. I also add a little bit on top of white to brighten it even more. And we're heading to tear part. By the way, I'm so sorry for my voice today because I'm a little bit ill, but I still hope you're enjoying this tutorial and it's useful for you. Let me know in the comments down below, let me know what kind of tutorial you want to see next, and remember that you're already beautiful. See you soon!